you think it's cold here, spare a thought for the people of North America. Just look at some of these temperatures earlier on today, down to as low as minus 43 degrees. But back to this country, we have an area of high pressure. In fact, no sooner has one slipped away than another one's going to be coming down across the country. And with high pressure, not many isobars, the winds will be light. But of course there will be, as I said, some fog and frost night and morning. Always a bit of a problem because there's going to be cloud drifting around, which will upset the equation every now and again. In fact, we've had quite a bit of cloud sinking southwards across the country during the course of the day. It was nice and sunny to begin with in the south, and the sun broke out in northern parts later on as well. So there is that blanket of cloud at the moment, but it's unreliable. It has holes in it, and in fact some of it's already beginning to break quite nicely. I think the best breaks later on in the night are probably going to be in western areas, a little bit of thicker cloud near to some of those eastern coasts, bringing in the odd wintry shower. But it will be a cold night nevertheless. Despite the cloud, there will be a frost in a number of places, but the lowest temperatures in those western areas where the best chance of the breaks are going to be, holding just above freezing probably near and along that eastern coast. There again is the area of high pressure for tomorrow, so it does mean to say that most of us are going to have a dry day, just one or two lightish wintry showers near to that east coast. Fair bit of cloud perhaps around to begin with, more particularly in southern areas, but I think the cloud will break and most places will have a little bit of sunshine from time to time. If the cloud does hold on, it's going to be more particularly, I think, across that northern part of Scotland. So for the big matches tomorrow, both at Twickenham and indeed at Murrayfield, I think mostly dry, and maybe the odd wintry shower there. I think the thing you'll notice more in Murrayfield than anywhere else, though, is that northeasterly wind coming in. So in the stands, I think it probably will feel rather cold, and that northeasterly wind affecting many of those eastern parts of the country, keeping those temperatures down around 3 or 4 degrees or so. As for tomorrow night, another widespread frost, quite a sharp frost in places, and moving into Sunday, the high pressure still there, well and truly in command, so again it should be a dry day. Might have one or two freezing fog patches persisting throughout the day, otherwise dry,